Hello mga kalenjins. We are walking here along the road of Camigen Road, Sumilon Corner, Sumilon Road here at Ayala, Cebu. We went to the Yusana office to pick up.
Not paid.
Huh?
Not paid advertisement.
Oh, not paid advertisement.
Explain niya.
Yeah. So we are now back to the car with the daddy. Only the two of us. Just the two of us. So it's not failed anymore. We're able to successfully
complete the transaction.
yes, that's correct. Second will be the plate number of Wiggy, but first we have to eat our lunch because it's already it's almost
lunchtime. We'll be going to basically Mandawi.
Go past by Magoy to Kepe. So this is Ayala. It's a big building.
Mandawi South, no?
Yeah, Mandawi South. Oh. No kids around, only mommy and daddy.
Yeah.
Hawaiian Japan. So don't ask me. Sige, lang to. So tayo chicken rice, no? Tapos soup. Then pizza. Hindi na makibago lang yung order din. Mara, pizza lang. Pasok ako regular.
Yay, eating time. I'm almost done with my food. Whoa. This is mushroom soup, 2 pieces, chicken, and the regular pizza. So yummy. Yummy daddy. So we are now inside Park Mall. We have Japanese home center, plenty of cheaper home needs. Home needs.
Pang sabit-sabit.
Where daddy? You get the money of Grande. May sa Metro Bank? BPI na lang. OPS Bank. Kay Metro Bank group man eh. Now we are here outside waiting for daddy to come. Whoa, plants. So here's daddy.
On our way home now and look at the traffic jam at Minglanilla.
I think it would extend up to Naga. This
Yeah.
traffic.
This
This is
has
the situation.
been the situation since
Really,
this morning when we are on our way to Cebu City.
It's too damn hot.
Guess it's a long traffic jam. What's the cost, Daddy?
The cost is the
Nag-road excavation.
road excavation.
Yan. Nag-ayo sila sa dan. Somewhere in Pakini.
I don't know what came into their mind that they dig a
Sa
hole
30
there.
budget na tukuan. It's a busy day.
Yeah, busy day. They're
Lots
not
of people
thinking.
going home. Lots of people go on holidays and go to malls, groceries.
They were not thinking.
They're not thinking. Karon sila
engineer.
nag-fix. Karon nag-fix ang road. Look at it. Sa mga...
Maybe they have to dig something. For what purpose? I don't know.
Oh, the coach is in here. Not what sa... Okay.
Ang common, spare parts naman.
Nasa...
Go for the rest. Shaski, halaman.
If you're planning to go to Cebu City, i-postpone na lang. Or maybe tonight na lang pagbiyahe kayo. Very traffic here.
Yeah, traffic is very.
The traffic is very, very.
It's jammed. Just imagine, only one lane is closed. And this what happened.
It only... Hi! It's the proper Minglanibia. There. Super duper traffic 210. I don't know how much, but I know I love you. That would be all I need to know. Look at this eyes. Inspiration.
Expiration.
Look at this dream.
So many expiration.
Daddy na kumal dito.
I have money problems.
If it's money problems,
Only money problems.
I don't know much. Look at there, look at the left lane. The lane going to Cebu
This
City.
lane extends to Naga. Because we were traffic there over there.
In Tungkop a while ago.
Near
This
Tungkop.
morning,
This morning, so
we were trapped at Tungkop.
still continue. Continues to be traffic. Oh, Ascara. Oh,
Ascarda, where?
Ascara there. Ascara.
Ah, okay.
I'll point
But
out you for the
Innova is
for
the best. Navara.
Mommy, it's not Navara. It's Navara.
No, Navara. It's a matter of how you pronounce the word.
Uy. Like a squeeze. So this squeeze.
What is happening?
It's nothing.
This is Gaisano Grand Mall in Minglanilla. Oh, tulong na flat. There, Gaisano. I cannot be seen anymore because of the trucks. Sa mukha nila ganina pagid mo ha? Ikaw ba? Sige ka lang siya. Sige ka kamara. Gusto din mo magdali. You are always in a hurry, Pata. Wait for your turn. You can move later on. I don't know much. Nay mo yung turn ani yan. Oh, traffic. Kana ay kuwan ay there's a ikaw na din nakapatapik. Gali-ali ka din. Balik na lang siya at gusto mo ang isa babaw. Look at. Can you imagine that? From Linaw until here, from the last, what's this, first barangay going to the last barangay of Minglanilla, there is a traffic jam. Wow.
Just imagine this. It's too much. Too much cars. Are you seeing this?
Dali. Buwan.
Maybe ako na. It's hot.
Ayun, lagi pang puwan dali.
Hot. Hindi ko lang.
That's
Yun na, babiyaw ay. So many trucks also.
traffic na ni Dere kayo.
Three lanes na din.
Daghan man kayo ni Mutit Tuyo. Oh, what happened? 3 lanes kina sila dira. Yang mahitabo Dere, 1 lane na lang Dere. Tapi kasi Dere. Ito nga ay.
Nasaan ka?
Nauna.
Ang truck. Wow.
Nauna na siya. Kapag na lang na siya isang kayo. Hadlok na siya sa ban time. Alas 4.
Nilog ng lane lang. Two lanes na sila.
Lord, so big.
I'm so
trucks.
better. Oh, so big the trucks. The trucks. These are the
Drive ka ng sigla ka gunong.
Wala ko ito ay.
Pero pala ng gamay, pila ka tuyok. Wala, unya, sa kalihanan na na diha. Dito na siya niyang isa ubos. Wala gidingon ng kuan. Online naman lang po dito.
In the morning, the traffic started here, somewhere here.
Yeah, we were traffic
So
jam
I
here.
would think this traffic will extend.
Up to Naga.
Yes, that's for sure. It's like that because how many hours have passed already. So kata lagi dito sa Calao. Kaya nag-nice. Why not from?
We were trapped here this morning. This is exactly the place.
Yes.
Whoa. Whoa. We are now in Inayaga, Naga. Entering the city of Naga, the first barangay. Whoa.
It's Naga.
What happened?
It's Naga. Why? Wala, kasi kapag ng Jollibee. Too much traffic. Only because of this. Road work for a few meters only. And all the vehicles are stuck. Stuck on you. Kaya this speeding ka kapit yung isa. Oh my God. Pagod na eh. Wow, Red Ranger Raptor soon enough.
5 years.
Here's pa lang.
Barata na pa 5 years. Hala ko. Moving in, moving in.
Yeah. Moving
We
on.
are almost at the town, the city proper of Naga. Still, there's heavy traffic. I cannot imagine how that road works. Sinagin, nakapakuan sa mga tao. Hassle,
So, burden.
the burden sa mga...
Just imagine this.
Hello?
It's from Pakine.
Makini. Still very far. We better sleep. We better go to Naga na lang and jam.
Prepare or Naga.
Then later tonight na lang mo pagbiyahe. Ano mo? Sila kitikiti.
Ano, easy naman yun. Uy.
Na 15 minutes? 15 minutes na akong nagkupot sa cellphone. Ay ko na naabot na yung San Fernando.
Oh, okay na yung Jollibee.
Don't you wish your girlfriend is hot like me?
Don't you?
Kay buntag pa man ni siya, so maybe.
Pwede no?
Siya nagmura sa Asgos na ron. Hindi nakasakyanan na ang nanggawas since this morning. Luwi kay mga bus operators yun. Kay gamay lagi sa income.
Sorry.
One way ra. Two way ra sila karon. Ang series bus, malate na sa biyahe. Ang gikan sa Bacolod and Dumaguete.
Naga nga pa sa tayo.
Hala ka.
Naga.
What is happening?
How can this be?
How can this be? How can this be the two of us? How can it be? Wala na idagan naman ito. Only friends.
Sorry, boy. Sorry, boy. Traffic.
Wala pa
Ay,
yung
ka.
sa mga.
Nakaw tayo sa Pinando. Tatay.
Nando gini. Kaya nga no, maabot naman ni sa hapon. Abot ni sa tuwa dali. Hindi na sa Takalabang. May check na niya din ha. Kabuti tapi pa.
Grabe, oy, it's Jollibee. This will get complained to one. Lalagyan will be angry.
Wala na, abot kayo sa Jollibee. Now at Jollibee.
At siguro lagyan ng congressman na, no?
Governor.
Ang governor, balik siya sa governor, no?
Sa una, kung gusto sa district sa Kuan,
Yes, sorry.
Baribu, Banhug. moving pa sila. Later on, bumper to bumper. Whoa! So if so there's a moving vehicles there. Soon enough, they will be stuck in a traffic jam. Stuck on you. Got a feeling down deep in my soul. I just can't get me. Yes, I'm on.
Sana
na. Okay, needed a friend.
na, traffic also ay only that is moving.
Nag-move na dito diri dahil traffic na sila.
lang, traffic yapon.
Sorry, nagali-ali dahil akong kuan. Sorry mga palanggings. Until here pag ang traffic. So very traffic. Oh, until there.
Until here.
Till here at Pop.
Naga.
Naga, this is going to Bacolod, Toledo. There, Toledo. Go straight.